Hi guys, Jeff here from TaT. Just want to do our draw for our prize for February-March, which is a fantastic prize donated by the AAA, and that's some 2 tickets to the Autocare conference in early June up in Brisbane. So Brendan and I are both speaking at that particular conference. Lots of great training, so if you're thinking about going, so again, we've got the draw here for us. So big thanks to the AAA for these 2 tickets. So we're going to draw them separately to make sure that we 2 different people get the tickets and they can work out whether they're going to go or not. First ticket we got drawn up here, that's Marty Hosie. Marty, well done. First ticket to the Autocare for Marty. Second ticket we'll draw off now. And the winner is Scott Turner. So well done, Scott, congratulations and a thanks. So we had 31 total entries for the month. So again, thank you to all the guys that have been able to share some repair solutions or good scope scan data with us. But again, a big congratulations to Scott and to Marty. We'll certainly catch those guys at the AAA Autocare. Hope to see as many of you other guys there as possible. See you then.